Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you change your screen timeout in your Motorola phone. Guys, you want to change your screen timeout, so guys you can change it. And guys, now let's see how to change a screen timeout in our Motorola phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So guys, now let's see how to change a screen timeout. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to change your screen timeout. Then guys, scroll and guys you can see your display setting. So guys, tap here and guys click on this advanced setting and guys scroll. Then guys you can see your screen timeout. So guys, tap here. So guys, you can change your screen timeout from here. So example for guys, we will take this 15 seconds. So guys, tap here. So guys, now you can see guys, after 15 seconds guys, our phone screen will off. Guys, you can see, wait and watch. And before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. So you can see guys, going dry and off. So I hope friends have understood how to change screen timeout in our Motorola phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, bye.